This is the Misting Saker camping light. This thing has a light built in, mists. It also has a stand built in. You get power into this using USB-C. Comes with a remote. Bunch of different settings. You can turn that light up and down. You can oscillate, turn the oscillating on and off. You can turn the misting on and off with the remote. I will turn the lights on so you can look at this a little bit closer. It also telescopes up, it rotates down, it rotates up. Very adjustable. You can control it with the remote, but you can also control it with the buttons right here. And you have a little screen there. It has a timer, so if you wanted to kind of only have it running for 8 hours, 3 hours, or so on, 1 hour, 2 hours, you can see that right there. I can turn the misting on and off there. I can turn the light up and down, 4 different settings, oscillating, 45 degree, 90 degree, and off. So if I don't want it to mist at all, if I don't want it to oscillate, I can do that as well. And you have 4 different settings on your fan. 1, 2, 3, 4. You fill it up with water here. You get power in right here, and you get power out also right here. So you can charge your other devices if you want. Underneath it has a hook, so you can turn this thing upside down in your tent and cool yourself down. It just has everything you would need, and I really like that it has a remote because you could be in your tent controlling this while laying down. You don't need to be close enough. These legs do fold up. There's little buttons underneath, and it folds up, and it gets very, very small. I'll show you that right now. You can fold these up very easily. Oh geez, it's still missing me. Feels good though. Stop missing me, buddy. We'll turn it all off. Fun. It also has a master on-off button right here on there. Okay, there you go. That's as small as it gets. It's got a little handle. You put the water in right here. This is the Saker camping misting light fan with a remote.